Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Chime Credit Builder on this review. So the simplest way to understand Chime Credit Builder is that it's designed to help build credit without letting you fall into debt. Now, it doesn't work like a traditional credit card where the bank gives you a limit and charges interest if you don't pay it back. Instead, you're using your own money and basically you move funds from your Chime checking account into a secured credit builder balance. And whatever you put in becomes your spending limit. Now, if you add $300, well, that's what you can spend. Now, there's no borrowing beyond that, which is why a lot of people feel safer using it. Now, what makes it useful for credit building is how Chime reports activity. Now, according to Chime's own documentation and confirmed by user reports on platforms like Reddit or even on Trustpilot, well, Chime reports your payment history to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So Chime automatically treats purchases as paid on time when you use the card responsibly. So you don't have to worry about late payments the same way you would with a normal credit card. Now that's a big reason beginners and rebuilders like it. It removes some of the common ways people accidentally mess up their credit. Now, another thing that comes up a lot in reviews is the lack of fees. So there's no annual fee or interest and no minimum security deposit requirement. So compared to traditional secured credit card that still charge interest and fees, many people on Trustpilot and finance forums here says it makes Chime feel much less punishing while you're trying to improve your credit. Now, for people who've been burned by credit cards in the past, that peace of mind matters. Now, when it comes to results and user experience, well, our user experience is fairly consistent. Now, people who use the card regularly and keep their spending steady often report gradual credit score improvements over several months. Now, Reddit threads show a lot of stories where scores didn't jump overnight, but slowly climbed as on-time payments and account age started adding up. Now that lines up with how credit scoring actually works. Chime isn't doing anything magical, it's just helping you build positive history without interest or mixed payments getting in the way. With that said, there are limitations here that users point out. Because it's secured card, your credit card or credit limit is always tied to how much money you've set aside. You're not going to suddenly get access to higher limits unless you deposit more. Some people also mention that Chime doesn't report utilization the same way traditional credit cards actually do, which means it may not help every part of your credit profile equally. It's strongest for payment history and account age, not for maximizing credit limits. Now, customer service and account issues show up occasionally in reviews, too. So Trustpilot feedback includes both positive and also some negative experiences, with some people mentioning delays or account freezes related to Chime's broader banking system. There isn't, or these issues aren't specific to credit builders alone, but they're worth knowing that because the credit feature is tied to your Chime account. So, when people ask whether Chime Credit Builder is actually worth it, well, the general consensus is pretty clear. If the goal is to build or rebuild your credit safely, well, without fees or interest, and without the risk of falling into debt, now many users feel it does exactly what it promises. It's especially popular with first-time credit builders and people recovering from past credit mistakes. Now, if the goal is higher limits, rewards, and advanced credit features, well, people usually see it as a stepping stone rather than a final destination. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.